A falle bod Prestatyn yn bell ar y blaen yng Nghyngred Gogledd Cymru, ond fydd y ddau glwb yma'n sicr yn anelu ddringo i'r uwch gynghrair yn y tymhorau nesaf. Sodliad bach clyfar gan Toby Jones. Dyma Mitch Bryant ar croesiad. Davies ar cyffyrddiad a Julian Williams sydd yno. Williams! Yn rhoi bai Colwyn ar y blaen, wedi dim ond 34 eiliad. Sgoriodd Williams y gol fuddigol yn erbyn Ruthin yn hwyr yr wsos dwytha. Mae wedi gwneud ti eto. Dechrau perffaith i'r ymwelwyr. Tom Kemp ar gic gornel. Y peniad gan Fawks. Oddi ar ben glin Will Bell i gefn y rhwyd. Llai na 10 munud wedi chwarae. A Richie Fawks yn hawlio'r gol i'r Flint. A mae Bai Colwyn eisoes wedi ennill y mae'r tymor yma yn y gynghrair. Tony Davies yn ôl at y golwr. Aaron Jones, y camgymeriad gan y golwr. Mitch Bryant yn rhoi Bai Colwyn yn ôl ar y blaen. Chydig dros chwarter awr wedi chwarae. Cic hosan gan y golwr. Mae gan fo ddigon amser i gymryd cyffyrddiad arall efallai. A Bryant yn rhoi Bai Colwyn yn ôl ar y blaen. Oedd Flint mi giro nhw bala yn y rownd dwytha. Maen nhw ar ei hôl i'n erbyn Bai Colwyn heno yma. Mae'n ansyrthio'n garedig at Mark Cadwaladr. Oedd hi werth cynnig gan Cadwaladr. Elsie McHugh yn codi'r bêl at y cwrt unwaith yn rhagor. Dyma Alex Titchener! Am gol gan Alex Titchener! Gol gampus yn sleisio'r folyn fwriadol i'r gornel bella yna. Burrows at y cefn o'r de, Tom Kemp. Kemp ymlaen, gyfeiriad Callum Bradley. Bradley yn eithon i hi'n ôl, pwy sy'n cyrraedd? Mark Cadwaladr sydd yno! Ac ar ôl bod ar ei hôl i ddwywaith, mae'r Flint ar y blaen am y tro cyntaf yn y gêm. Cadwaladr ar gol holl bwysig.
Very pleased with it. I thought they were outstanding from start to finish. You know, two good teams going at it, but I think in the end we've deserved it. Niall's done a session on Thursday and we've stuck to that game plan and I thought we were outstanding. You know, battled when we needed to and dug deep. So yeah, we were outstanding.
It was a great game to be involved in, certainly. I'm sure all the supporters here really enjoyed themselves. But we're disappointed. We felt really we'd done enough at one point perhaps to have won the round. You know what you get from Flint. They're an honest group of hard-working, footballers. They play to a certain way, and we stood up to everything they threw at us today, literally. And I'm extremely proud of my players today, and I can't stress that enough. They've come here, they've given absolutely everything for the coaching staff, for the football club and for our fans. And on another day with a bit more luck perhaps, we're celebrating the result and not Flint.
No, full credit the character to come back into it, and I thought for a neutral it was a great game of football and played out by two good sides.
Oeddwn ni dechrau'n da, sgorio 2 gol, a wnaethon ni just dim defendio'n iawn ar y times important, yeah.
And obviously you see who we get, we're in the hat, which is massive, and I think it's probably the first time in, I might quote me if I'm wrong, but over 10 years since this club's got into the quarter-finals, so it's a massive achievement for myself, Aidan, and the players and members of staff, and also the board, the chairman and the people of the club. It's fantastic for everyone.